Auf vielen Produktionsrechnern an Maschinen.
How do I protect my Windows XP production computer? The Windows XP operating system continues to be installed on many production computers and machines and systems. Since April 8, 2014, Microsoft has ceased to offer support for this system. The risk of attackers infiltrating the system or computers being affected with viruses or Trojans will therefore increase daily. Changes in existing network structures or an operating system switchover result in high costs and the risk of production failures. The MGuard security module offers Phoenix Contact, an easy, secure and cost-effective solution to protect production computers in existing network structures.
The MGuard security module is simply installed upstream of the PC that is at risk, providing protection for the PC by means of coordinated security functions. The integrated firewall isolates the computer from the rest of the network and only allows communication that is actually required for the functioning of the entire system.
Der Stealth Mode sorgt dafür, dass keine Änderungen.
Stealth mode ensures that no changes have to be made to the network infrastructure or to the Windows computer itself. As such, the MGuard can also be easily retrofitted in existing systems. But there is more to MGuard.
Integrity monitoring is an industrial virus sensor which permanently checks the relevant files on the Windows XP computer. It detects when the files have been changed by malware and immediately reports this to the relevant employees via Signal Contact, email or SNMP trap. In doing so, hardly any load is put on the computer and the real-time characteristic is not impaired.
The MGuard
security module protects your Windows XP production computer easily, securely, and without any changes to the system.